Right, this is a super quick video. I am just going to show you how to quickly make up some templates if you haven't got a printer. So I'll just find a couple of bits of scrap paper here. So yeah, it's occurred to me that if you haven't got access to a printer, then you might not be able to get the templates. So I just thought that quickly showing you how to make your own without a printer would be a really good idea. So first of all, the petal is 5 centimeters tall. So in the middle of the page I'm going to draw a line 5 centimeters, and at its widest point it's 4 centimeters. So that's at the middle of 5 centimeters. So at 2.5 centimeters I'm going to draw a line 4 centimeters, and that's 2 centimeters either side of the line. Now the bottom of the petal is 1 centimeter. So if I align this line at 5 millimeters and draw a 1 centimeter line, there we have it. And all we want to do is draw a curve up to here on that side, turn it around, and always keep your pencil and your line so the natural curve goes this way. It's harder to draw a curve in the opposite direction. And then again here, what we want to do at the top is just bring it out at a slight curve, about 5 millimeters either side, and then simply bring it around to join below. And there you have it. This is my standard petal, and hopefully that's enough for you to get the petal shape. And once you have that, you can use that to make most of my roses. And just to prove that that's about the same size, there. So that's what we've got for the petal. Now for the leaf shape, very similar process. The height of this leaf is 6.5 centimeters. So I'll draw a line at 6.5 centimeters. And I've put a little line at the top and the bottom. The bottom is just 5 millimeters. So try your best to make it, 2.5 millimeters either side. And at the widest point it is 3.3, and the widest point sets about 3.5 from the top. So at 3.5 from the top of this line, I'm going to put a little mark, and for argument's sake I'm going to make this 3.2, so we'll make that 1.6 on either side. 3.2. So we've gone 1.6 millimeters. No, sorry, we've gone 1.6 centimeters on this side, and then we've extended it to 3.2 on this side. So in a similar way to the petal, we want to, with a slight curve, not a straight line, a slight curve, bring it up to this line, turn it around, bring a slight curve up to this line, and I've got a little kind of twist in the top of this leaf. You don't need to have that, that's just me being artistic, but you can put it in if you like. And again, we're going to just curve up to a point and this makes a perfectly good leaf template for my standard Novella roses. And if you like, at this stage you could just put an extra little twist in the top of the leaf. So as you can see, it's the right size, it's just we haven't got the curve in the leaf. But that's okay, because you can still make the flowers and the leaves using those templates. So if you don't have a printer, it's no problem. Let me know how you get on.